Hey, what's going on? Oh, I got a little backyard chicken tip for you.
Ladies, what's happening? You guys are stars, gonna be.
Wow, make sure that our ladies gets enough calcium. We save our eggs, our eggshells, and we give them back to them to make more hard shells. When we get them and we collect them, we wash them out every night, let them for every day after we use them, let them dry, and then collect them in a jar. And then Amber bakes them at, I don't know, 400 degrees for 20 minutes or so. Then we crush them up, and I got this little feeder for them we put them into. There's your backyard tip for strong eggs. Get their calcium and reuse, recycle.